What you're looking at is a manufactured reality. This face isn't a human, it's a robot from an assembly line.
Life is a beautiful journey, filled with countless wonders.
If you think mass production means boring, wait until you see these. Today we're going inside 7 of China's most unbelievable assembly lines where science, art, and code collide. These high-tech laboratories and master workshops are creating a world that is weird, wonderful, and unnervingly real. Our first stop is in the Chinese city of Dalian, home to factories that look like they've been pulled from a sci-fi film. Companies like X-Robots are at the forefront of a manufacturing revolution, the mass production of hyper-realistic humanoid robots. Their goal isn't just to build a machine that can perform a task, but to create one that can interact and express emotions alongside us. The process of creating one of these androids, which can take from 2 weeks to a month, is a breathtaking fusion of engineering and artistry. It starts with 3D printing for lightweight, complex skeletons, but the real magic begins with the skin. Using medical-grade silicone, these factories create a covering that is unnervingly lifelike, complete with pores and wrinkles. Inside the head, a sophisticated network of tiny motors acts as artificial muscles capable of producing a vast range of human facial expressions. This mechanical complexity is brought to life by an equally advanced mind. The robots are powered by a sophisticated multimodal AI that is constantly learning. It can perceive its environment, recognize human emotional signals like voice tone and facial cues, and produce an appropriate mirrored response, creating a genuine sense of interaction. X-Robots envisions them in healthcare, for psychological counseling, in education, and as museum guides. The assembly lines in Dalian aren't just building machines, they are manufacturing personalities. But what happens when that same level of artistry isn't used to create a whole person, but to restore a missing part? In specialized workshops, artisans are creating hyper-realistic prosthetic fingers, hands, and limbs that are so lifelike they are nearly indistinguishable from real appendages. The process is a masterful blend of medical precision and artistic skill. It begins with creating a perfect cast, often using silicone to match the patient's body. Artisans then craft the prosthetic from skin-safe silicone, focusing on what's known as intrinsic color matching. Instead of just painting the surface, they mix pigments directly into the silicone to create a base tone that mimics the depth and translucency of real skin. From there, the hand painting begins. Using specialized paints, artists meticulously add every detail: freckles, veins, fingerprints, and the subtle color shifts around the knuckles. Each piece takes hundreds of hours as layers are built up to achieve a level of realism that challenges our perception. It's a testament to how modern manufacturing can combine with traditional artistry to restore not just function, but a sense of wholeness. But what happens when that same level of artistry isn't used to restore life, but to perfectly imitate it? For our next stop, we're entering a workshop where artistry is measured in centuries. We're going inside the creation process for Madame Tussauds, where a 200-year-old tradition meets modern celebrity culture to create some of the most lifelike figures on Earth. Every single figure is the result of an astonishing 800 hours of painstaking work involving a team of around 20 skilled artists. The journey begins with a sitting, where the star is documented with hundreds of precise measurements and photos taken from every angle. From there, a master sculptor creates a perfect clay model of the head, a process that alone can take up to 6 weeks. Interestingly, the figure is made about 2% larger than the actual person to account for the wax shrinking as it cools. Once the clay sculpture is perfected, plaster molds are made. The body is typically made from durable fiberglass, while the head and hands are cast in wax for maximum realism. Then the true artistry begins. Each strand of real human hair is inserted into the wax head one by one, a task that can take 6 weeks. The eyes are hand-painted resin masterpieces complete with tiny silk threads to replicate veins. Finally, artists apply up to 10 layers of oil-based paint to create a translucent, realistic skin tone. But what if, instead of imitating life with wax and paint, we could actually print it? Now, we journey from old-world craft to the cutting edge of science fiction made real. In advanced labs, researchers are perfecting a process that could end the organ shortage forever: 3D bioprinting. This revolutionary technology uses specialized printers to deposit layers of biological materials known as bioinks to construct living human tissue. These bioinks are often hydrogels loaded with a patient's own stem cells' growth factors and other essential biomaterials. The process starts with a detailed digital blueprint from an MRI or CT scan. The bioprinter then gets to work meticulously building a three-dimensional structure layer by layer. The ultimate goal is to create fully functional transplantable organs like hearts, livers, and kidneys. While printing complex vascularized organs is still a long-term goal, the progress is astounding. Labs are already printing simpler structures like skin grafts, heart valves, and cartilage. This isn't just manufacturing a product, it's assembling life itself, promising a future where waiting lists for organs are a thing of the past. But while science is busy printing organs to save us, what about manufacturing things designed to scare us? From printing life to building monsters. Our next stop takes us inside specialized workshops where the creatures of our nightmares and fantasies are brought to life. These factories craft hyper-realistic animatronics for theme parks and movies, blending traditional sculpting with advanced robotics. The creation of a single creature can take months of meticulous engineering. It starts with a metal skeleton or armature which provides the underlying structure. This frame is then outfitted with a complex network of pneumatic systems and servo motors that will control its every move from the blink of an eye to the roar of a dinosaur. The creature's body is often sculpted first in clay before being cast in silicone to create a flexible, durable skin. This skin is then hand-painted with incredible detail to achieve realistic textures, whether it's scales fur or wrinkled hide. The final step is programming, where technicians synchronize the movements and sounds to create a seamless, terrifyingly believable performance. These animatronics are masterpieces of illusion designed to look like the real thing. But what happens when an assembly line creates something that isn't an illusion at all but is chemically identical to one of the rarest materials on Earth? We're heading to the factory floors of Henan Province, the new epicenter for the world's diamonds. For centuries, a diamond meant rarity, a stone forged over billions of years. Here, that idea is being shattered. Perfect, flawless diamonds are now grown in just a few weeks. Two revolutionary techniques are upending the industry. First, high pressure, high temperature. A tiny diamond seed is placed in a chamber and blasted with crushing pressure and extreme heat. It mimics nature, but on fast forward, forcing carbon to crystallize into a flawless gem. The second method is carbon vapor deposition. Here, a diamond seed enters a vacuum which is flooded with carbon-rich gas. As the gas is superheated, it breaks down, depositing carbon atoms onto the seed layer by flawless layer. The results are staggering. These diamonds aren't fakes. They are physically, chemically, and optically identical to mined ones. With Chinese factories flooding the market, the price of rarity has collapsed. A symbol of timeless value is now being completely redefined before our very eyes. But if the value of a rare stone can be mass-produced, what about the value of a relationship? Our final destination is Dongguan, China, a city at the heart of another mass production revolution: AI companion dolls. On these assembly lines, lifelike silicone is combined with sophisticated robotics and artificial intelligence to create highly customizable companions that are blurring the lines between product and personality. The production process is a spectacle of precision and artistry, mirroring high-end electronics manufacturing with an added human touch. It all starts with the body, which is cast from proprietary ultra-soft TPE and silicone compounds. These advanced jelly-like materials are designed through years of research to have the weight give and even the subtle warmth of real skin. This isn't just a simple mold. Artisans then apply up to 16 distinct layers of paint by hand in a multi-day artistic endeavor. This painstaking process creates an unparalleled depth of realism, adding translucent veins beneath the surface, subtle blemishes, and natural color gradations seen in human skin. To complete the look, human hair is implanted strand by strand, a labor-intensive task that can take days for a single figure. But the true illusion of life comes from within. Embedded deep inside the body is an articulated robotic skeleton with dozens of joints, allowing for a range of fluid, human-like movements and poses. More importantly, these companions are integrated with powerful AI. They feature advanced cloud-connected voice models that facilitate surprisingly interactive and adaptive conversations.
Life is a beautiful journey filled with countless wonders.
The AI is designed to learn from every interaction, tailoring its personality, sense of humor, and responses to the user over time. This creates a genuine sense of a developing relationship, making the companion feel entirely unique. As global demand for these personalized companions skyrockets, the factories in Dongguan are perfecting the art of mass personalization. churning out products that are part robot, part art, and part AI friend. Which one did you find the best? Do you want to try any of them? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Like always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and leave us some love in the comments section. To keep up to date with all of our awesome videos, be sure to hit subscribe and turn your notifications on to never miss a thing. Until next time, do take good care of yourself.